Hello students, welcome back with the new lecture of chapter 1. Students, we are in question number 9 of exercise 1.1. So let us start to solve the question. Use the sign of greater than, less than or equal to in the box to make the statement true. Students, they are telling us that they have given us 5 parts. Each part they have given us left hand side, they have given us right hand side. We have to solve one by one left hand side and right hand side and decide which one is greater, which one is smaller and which one is equal to from these 5. The one which is greater, we will give the greater than sign. The one which is smaller, we will give smaller than sign, and one which is equal, we will give equal to sign. So let us start. The first question is minus 8 plus minus 4 box minus 8 minus into bracket minus 4. How to solve it? We will solve each one left hand side and RHS left hand side and right hand side one by one, and then we will come to the conclusion. So let us start with the left hand side first. So what is left hand side? It is minus 8 plus minus 4. They have given two integers with the same sign and we have to add them. And what we do when two integers with the same sign we are adding? We add the numerical values, that is 8 and 4. 8 and 4 is 12 and give the same sign. So left hand side is minus 12. Now let us move to the right hand side. Right hand side is minus 8 minus minus 4. Here they are subtracting two integers, and when we subtract two integers, what we do? We keep the first integer as it is, then add the second integer's additive inverse, that is additive inverse of the second integer. And what is additive inverse of second integer? It is plus 4, because here it is minus 4. Now we are in the addition of two integers with unlike sign. So what we do when we add two integers with unlike sign? We subtract the numerical values. So 8 minus 4 will be 4 and give the numerical value which is having the largest numerical value the sign of 8. So here it will be minus 4. Now students, we know that minus 12 on the number line is on the leftmost side, while minus 4 is on the right hand side, towards the right side. So minus 4 is greater than minus 12. So we will give minus 12. This is left hand side is minus 12. So we will give the less than sign to the left hand side. While the right hand side is minus 4, we will give greater than sign. Students, this is for the greater than sign. The mouth where it is open, it will be the greater than sign. Now let us move to the second question. Second question is minus 3 plus 7 minus 19 box 15 minus 8 plus minus 9. Students, here the integers are minus 3 plus 7 and plus 19. Don't be confused with minus and plus. Here they are adding the two integers and then subtracting the third integer. So let us take left hand side first. We are taking minus 3 plus 7 minus 19. We will add these two integers first. We are adding the two integers with unlike sign. This is plus 7 and this is minus 7, and we and the addition sign. So what we do when the two integers with the unlike sign? we subtract them. 7 minus 3 will be 4, and we give the integer which is having the highest larger number, that is 7. So it will be plus 4. Now minus 19. Now we are subtracting two integers. We are subtracting 4 and 19. 19 is your positive integer, don't forget. So what we do when we subtract two integers? We take first integer as it is, and then instead of subtraction we add, and we change the sign of the second integer. Second integer is plus 19, so it will become minus 19. Why I took plus 19? Because this was the subtraction sign. This is not minus 19. Minus sign is of not 19. It is plus 19. That's why. Now we are adding two integers with unlike sign. So we subtract the numerical values. 19 minus 4 is 15, and give the larger integer sign. So it is minus 15. Now right hand side. Value on the right hand side are 15 is subtracted from 8 is subtracted from 15, and minus 9 is added to the resulting answer. Let us subtract two integers first. What we do when we are subtracting two integers? We take first integer as it is, we change the minus sign to plus, and the second integer's sign, the additive inverse of the 8. Additive inverse of plus 8 is minus 8, and we will write this one as it is. Now we change the situation. Now we are adding two integers with unlike sign. So what we do? We subtract 15 minus 8, that is numerical value. 15 minus 8 is 7, and give the larger number sign, that is plus sign of 15. Now add minus 9 to it. Adding two integers with unlike sign, again we subtract the numerical values, that is 9 minus 7 is 2, and give the larger number sign, that is minus. Again let us compare minus 15 and minus 2. Minus 15 on number line will be on the left hand side, that is on the left side on the number line, and minus 2 will be on the right side on the number line. So minus 2 will be greater. So we will give greater than sign towards this one, RHS, because RHS is greater. Now let us move to the third question. C. 23 subtracting 41 from 23, and then adding plus 11 box, and then 23 we are subtracting 41 from 23, and then subtracting 11 from these two. Let us start. Let us first take left hand side. Left hand side is equal to 23 minus 41 plus 11. We will take two integers and subtracting. What we do when we subtract, we take first integer as it is, we add the second integer's additive inverse. This is plus 41, so we will take minus 41. Don't forget students, the subtraction sign was there, we changed it to plus. This 41 was already in plus, so additive inverse of plus will be minus, and this one as it is. Now we are adding two integers with unlike sign, so we will subtract it from 41. 41 minus 23, numerical value we are subtracting. 41 minus 23, we will subtract 41 minus 20 will be 21, and then minus 3, so it will be 18. But 18, what will be the value of 18? What will be the sign of 18? It will be minus, because the larger number is minus. Now we are adding plus 11. Again we are adding two integers with unlike sign, so we will subtract the numerical values, that is 18 minus 11. 18 minus 11 will give us 7, and the numerical value is minus 7, the sign of the larger integer. Now let us move to the right hand side. right hand side is 23 minus plus 41, this is plus 41, and then we are subtracting plus 11 from it. First we will take two integers, we are subtracting two integers, so we will take first integer as it is. What we do when we subtract two integers, we take first integer as it is and add the additive inverse of second integers. And what is the additive inverse of plus 41? It is minus 41, and we will keep this as it is. So now we are adding two integers with unlike sign. So we subtract numerical values, that is 41 minus 23 will be 18, and the sign of the larger integer, larger numerical value, that is minus 18, and then we are subtracting 11 from it. Subtracting two integers with unlike sign, subtracting we don't have unlike sign and same sign. So what we do, we keep first integer as it is and add the additive inverse of 11 plus 11, that is minus 11. Now we are adding two integers with the like sign. What we do, we add them, 18 plus 11 29, and give the same sign of the two number, that is minus 29. Students, we were having LHS were having minus 7 and RHS is having minus 29. Minus 29 is less than minus 7 because minus 7 is on the right side of the number line, on the number line, while minus 29 is on the left hand side of the number line. So we will keep minus 7 as the greater, that is LHS is the greater than RHS. Understood, students? Now let us move to the next question, and next question is 39 plus minus 24 minus plus 15 into bracket, box, 36 plus minus 52 minus into bracket minus 36. So students, let us solve. First we will take LHS. LHS is 39 plus minus 24 minus plus 15. We are adding two integers with unlike sign, so we subtract 39 from 24, that is 35 minus 20 15, if I am not wrong, yes, and the larger integers sign, that is plus sign, and then subtracting 15 from 15, that is we take the same value, first value as it is, we add the additive inverse of plus 15, that is minus 15. And what is the, when we add two integers, what we do, we subtract the numerical values. When we subtract 15 minus 15, we will get 0. So no need to put plus or minus sign there. Let us move to the right hand side. And what is right hand side? 36 plus minus 52 minus 36. We are adding two integers with unlike sign. What we do, we subtract the numerical values and give the larger integers value, that is 52 minus 36 will be 16, and give the larger integers value, that is minus, and then we are subtracting 36 from it. Subtracting two integers, we keep first integer as it is and then add the additive inverse of minus 36, that is 36. Again we are adding two integers with unlike sign, so we subtract 36 minus 16, we get 20, and the larger integers value, that is plus 20. Now students, plus 20 and 0, definitely we know that RHS is greater, so we will give greater than sign to the RHS. Now let us move to the fifth part, that is E, portion number E, part number E. Minus 231 plus 79 plus 51 box minus 399 plus 159 plus 81. Let us take left hand side first, that is minus 231, 79 and plus 51. What we do when we add two integers with unlike sign, we subtract the numerical values, that is 231 minus 79. So on subtracting 231 minus 79, we get 152, but minus sign because it is having larger value. And then we are adding again 51. First we took these two numbers, now these two numbers, and we are adding again the two integers with unlike sign. Again we do subtract. If we subtract 152 minus 51, we will get 101, but the sign will be again minus. Now RHS, we are adding two integers with unlike sign, so we will subtract, and on subtracting 399 from 159, we get 240. We get 240, and we will get the negative sign because it is the larger value. Now addition of 81 in it. Again we are adding two integers with unlike sign, so we will subtract 240 and 81. We will get the resultant answer will be 240 minus 80 will be 160, and minus 1 will be 159. So we will get minus 159. Now minus 159 is on the left side of the 101, and 101 is on the right side of the 159 on a number line. So 101 is the greater number, so we write greater than sign to the left hand side. Left hand side is greater than right hand side. That is all for today's lecture, students. We have completed our 5 parts. We will meet with the next question in next lecture. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe.